Hi, everyone. I want to come to you and just share some information with you about the take a look calls that we learned about at our retreat boot camp this week. And I want to make it where people know what it is we're going to be doing so that you're comfortable inviting people that you know to take a look at this business and see if it might be a fit for them and use verbiage that we have taught you. Where you say, you know what, I thought of you, Lindsay, whenever I heard about this opportunity, or the other day whenever I was using my products, or whatever it is that made you genuinely think about somebody, and then let them know that you would love for them to just be willing to take a look at this and say, would you be willing to take a look at this at Arbonne with me, with my friend Carlita Nelson, or your up there, whatever your upline RVP or MVP name is. And then if you aren't interested after, you chat with her about it and let her share what she knows about it, feel free and feel comfortable to just say no. But I would love for you to hear it out and just, be willing to take a look at it and know what it really is before you answer yes or no. Would you be willing to let me set up a time where we can either three-way call or Zoom chat with my friend? And that's what you would say. And you guys, people are getting such a great response out of this that I just cannot wait to get it out to the world and share with you what it is that we do on those calls. So once you get an appointment time set up and you know that you've confirmed a time with your friend and your upline VP, then what we do whenever we get together on the call is we chat just a little bit, and it's very casual. And I would love to do like a three-way chat and role model for you, but I literally did one today, and I just generally ask the person, they introduce me as the name and a little bit about how they know them and why they thought about them for Arbonne, and then I get to be able to share Arbonne and say, thank you so much for getting on this quick call with me. I just want to give you a little information about what Arbonne is and see if you think it might be a fit for you. And I go through this document, Is Arbonne for You? This is straight off Arbonne's website, the source, and it's also on I think most of your MVP's websites. I know it's on mine. So you can go on there and pull this document up and use this on your phone as you're talking to people, or pull it up on a Zoom like this. I pulled it up and let the lady see it as I was flipping through it so that she had a visual to look at as I shared with her, that Arbonne is just for people that are looking to live a pure and healthy lifestyle, and some of the things that we can do, and went through this sheet. I'm not going to go through it all with you, but it's a quick 20-minute call, and it allows people to be able to just see what Arbonne is about, what it can do, and help people think about if they want, what they want for their future, and if what they're doing is going to help them get there. And if not, let us help them see how Arbonne can be that vehicle for them. And we just go through the benefits of it and what all we have and who we are as a company. And then I love this part here where we get to talk about the different groups of products that we have and have the visual and the picture, and how the Arbonne advantage is what we don't put in our products, and all that we, are as a company, being certified vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, no artificial colors, flavors, and sweeteners. And I really stress here the consumability of these products, and how when you're looking at a business and something to do, you want something that is highly consumable, because it means that people, that love these products end up using them on a regular basis and running out of them and reordering them. And every time they do, you get a thank you check from Arbonne, because you were the person that introduced somebody to Arbonne products, or you're the one helping somebody build this as a business, and you get a portion of that income that Arbonne makes on these products when they're sold. We talk about what Arbonne is, and we show them the difference in network marketing and versus social marketing, and how we're the direct connect, and how we get to really share this business via technology, and how we're not running around and delivering products door to door. We can sometimes, but we don't have to, and that's the beauty of it, because we're not being busy. Arbonne, ships these products directly to their doorstep, and we help people see that all we're doing is helping you stop using products and buying products from other retail marketplaces that may not even be what you're really looking for your health, and we help you start buying products that are superior, vegan, pure, safe, beneficial products, and shop at a discount with Arbonne and be able to get paid income whenever you share these products with others. And that's how we stop start and share. And we just ask people, where do you see yourself? Where would you like to be? And this is where you need to do your job, or your upline will do their job. And whatever people say they see, unless it's a consultant, I'm ready to jump in and get started, is they're going to help people see more. Our job is to be vision painters and to help people see what they can't see for themselves with this opportunity, because they don't know what we know yet. And for instance, the call that I did today, the lady said, I think I'd like to become a preferred client and use these products. But she was like worried, she'd used them before, but had to stop because of finances. And so I was like, you know what? Why don't you, number one, start out as a host and get a few of your friends and family together. And she instantly named off herself the people that she could invite that would be excited to hear about these products after we went through this. And then, talked about the benefits of her being able to get back on products at the best deal for her budget, and how that could ultimately turn her into a consultant automatically that is making an income with Arbonne, because she's sharing it with her friends and family. And that's what we do to build a business. And we just talked about the different levels of income. And I focus mainly on here and the ranges that we use at the 4 different levels of management, and talked about how quickly people can get there, and that this is the Arbonne average, but when they follow the system that we use and teach, then they can get there even quicker. And that is how we do a take a look call. And out of that call, we are getting appointments booked, because whenever people say they see themselves at one of these places, we just ask them, who do they know that they think might want to do this, or hear about this with them. And we book a group event, whether it's a group event via Zoom, whether it's a group event in their home on a sofa, or whether it's a group event of them using the products and inviting 4 or 5 people to join them and using these products with them, and doing a virtual type group event with our products as well. So this is getting activity on people's calendars, you guys, to help us hit those 40 faces a month that are going to connect us to the next faces for our business next month. And it's going to keep your calendar rolling, and it's working so beautifully. I just wanted to get this out there as quick as I can and help everyone be able to be empowered by this and use this method for your business and keeping your activity going. So I hope this helps. I wish you all the very best.